when, by the request of the church, the Coptic church in Alexandria, the Venetians returned parts of Mark to Alexandria. That's why Venice is marked by the lion. Right, that's the insignia from Alexandria. He was buried in Alexandria, according to tradition, in the church. Right, so this is definitely. Let me just rephrase everything and put things into order. In the Crusader period, this is the area of Venice. In the 16th century, it's an inn, Khan, belonging to Westerners, to Europe, and today it belongs to the Custodia Terrae Sanctae, meaning the Franciscan organization. It's owned by them. It's Catholic.
Is it school, yeah?
Sorry, it belongs to the Custodia. Yes. And if you look at the lion, okay. Oh, now we have the Holy Spirit on top of the lion. But
it is not white.
It's white.
It's not white.
It has a one white.
But it is now soiled by the sins of humanity. Maybe that's the explanation. Anyhow, careful guys, careful. Oh my God. Anyhow, this is quite new. It was installed here a couple of years ago once they did the renovations. So don't count on this as a medieval relic. It's not. It's modern, very modern. The lion, that is. Good, let's go.
لا انا جيت هون بس اكل فلافل. لا اكل فلافل بس جينا قصدرنا هون.
ايال كان سريع. ايال
شو فاضي مع المحلات.
I think it's closed.
Okay, so we're now looking. We already saw Khan el Ifranj. Now we can see Khan el Omdan. Khan el Omdan, built by Ahmad al-Jazzar, has many pillars inside. The reason I can't show it to you is because the place is locked. They're doing renovations for the last 20 years. Probably never going to end, but the idea is to build a nice boutique hotel inside. I really wish them luck because this is going to be one of the most beautiful hotels. Think about the atmosphere during the night, but it's not ending. I don't know what's the reason. There are probably some administrative problems, bankruptcy, whatever. So it's still under these poor conditions at the moment. Omdan means pillar.
What is the side over the door? They give?
I'm sorry?
The side.
Yeah, side. The sign. I'll explain in a moment. That's exactly what I'm going to explain. Right above the arch, there's the insignia of the Ottoman Empire. Okay, look to the both sides. Okay, and on top, up there at the top of the clock tower, which was one of the clock towers built in order to commemorate the 25th year of Abdul Hamid's reign, you can see clocks. Now, the original clocks are no longer there, but in the year 2000, kindergarten children, along with their parents here from Akko, decided to cooperate and rebuild the clocks. They got, of course, the cooperation of the municipality.